Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can add a border to first page only in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on blank document. Now let me just quickly add 2 pages or just 1 page like that. Now, how can we only give a border to the first page? Well, it's very easy. So we have to click on the Design tab at the top. Here you will find Page Borders. Click on that. And here you will find the options. You could have Box, Shadow, 3D, and Custom. We have to choose Box. For the style, we can choose this one. For the color, we can simply choose any of this color. For the width, go to like that, and then here's the best thing or the best setting that we need to apply. Under apply to, you have this drop down arrow, and then you have this option, this section first page only, and this is what we wanted. So we just need to click on this and click on OK, and that's it. You have just created a border for your Microsoft Word document in just the first page, and the other page is not or doesn't have a border. Even if I insert a new blank page, as you can see, the blank page that I have just inserted doesn't have a border and it is only on the first page. That's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.